Industrial Revolution in Europe. The Industrial Revolution was a period of significant economic, technological, and social change that began in Europe in the late 18th century and continued into the 19th century. It marked the transition from agrarian economies to industrialized and urbanized societies. This revolution originated in Britain around 1750 and later spread to other parts of Europe and the world. It was characterized by the development of machinery, factories, mass production, and innovations in transportation and energy sources. Causes of the Industrial Revolution in Europe. 1. Agricultural Revolution. Advances in farming methods such as crop rotation, selective breeding, and the use of new tools increased food production. This led to population growth and freed up labor for industrial work. 2. Abundance of natural resources. Europe, especially Britain, had plentiful coal and iron reserves, which were essential for powering machinery and building infrastructure. 3. Technological innovations. Inventions such as the steam engine, James Watt, spinning jenny, James Hargreaves, and power loom revolutionized production methods. The mechanization of industries like textiles made production faster and cheaper. 4. Access to capital. The rise of banking systems and wealthy investors provided the capital necessary to build factories and develop new technologies. 5. Colonialism and trade. European countries controlled vast colonial empires, which provided raw materials like cotton and markets for finished goods. Expansion of trade networks facilitated economic growth. 6. Urbanization and labor supply. As people moved to cities in search of work, the urban population provided a ready workforce for factories. Enclosure of common lands in Britain pushed rural workers into urban areas. 7. Political stability and policies. Stable governments, particularly in Britain, supported industrial growth through policies like protection of private property and encouragement of entrepreneurship. Patent laws encouraged innovation by protecting inventors' rights. 8. Transportation and communication advances. Improvements in roads, canals, and railways made the transportation of goods and raw materials easier. Innovations in communication, such as the telegraph, facilitated coordination in trade and industry. The Industrial Revolution drastically transformed European economies and societies, leading to urbanization, changes in labor conditions, and the rise of a middle class, but it also introduced challenges such as environmental degradation and labor exploitation.